Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize credit card usage with Bank of America, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding your credit card terms and conditions. Read through the details provided by Bank of America. Familiarize yourself with the interest rates and fees associated with your card. Next, set up online banking for easy account management. Visit the Bank of America website and create an online account. This will allow you to track your spending and manage your payments efficiently. Now, establish a budget to manage your credit card usage. Determine how much you can afford to spend each month without exceeding your budget. Utilize the card strategically for essential purchases. Focus on expenses like groceries, gas, and bills to earn rewards. Make sure to pay off your balance in full each month. This will help you avoid interest charges and build a positive credit history. Keep track of your spending to prevent overspending. Use mobile banking apps or budgeting software for real-time tracking. Set payment reminders to stay on top of your due dates. Enroll in AutoPay to ensure timely payments. Consider using alerts for balance thresholds to avoid exceeding your budget. Regularly review your credit card statements for accuracy. This will help you identify unauthorized charges or errors. Take advantage of any rewards programs offered by Bank of America. Earn cashback or points for travel by using the card for everyday purchases. Monitor your credit score regularly. Access your credit report through Bank of America to stay informed. Lastly, review your credit utilization ratio. Aim to keep it below 30% of your total credit limit to maintain a good credit score. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.